Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys how I built my data science portfolio. Everything that I did with data science or all my projects, I basically just put it on GitHub. So if you guys don't know what GitHub is, it's just basically a place where you can put all your code and stuff like that. It saves everything, so if you like accidentally delete something, add something new, it shows the revisions that you made. Um, so here it is, data science portfolio. So how I set it up, it's all I Python notebooks. So the good thing about GitHub is it shows how Python notebooks should look like. Shows all the code, the comments, even shows tables. You print it out. Let's go back. Um, so with data science analysis, they prefer visualizations, and this is what I did over here. So oh, and for another thing, you want to give a description because most of the people that look at your portfolio, it's the hiring managers, and like they haven't done coding before, so they don't know what's going on. So the same concept with the Python notebooks. Just waiting for it to load. Come on. All right, I'm just gonna. All right, never mind. All right, so for the Python notebooks, this one's cryptocurrency market analysis. So I like describing it through the text first. So the hiring managers know what they're looking at. Comments as well. You want to put that in so they they can follow through with what you're doing through the code. Yep. And so Python notebooks, again, they have visualization, which is perfect. So if you're like applying for a data analysis job, you need to have visualization. Other than that, it's basically straightforward. Like all the projects that you've done, you basically just want to put it in Python notebook format. Give a little description so hiring managers know what they're looking at. Describe what you're doing. And another thing that I do is on LinkedIn. A few of the hiring managers actually reached out to me because of my LinkedIn. Um, and my internet's just slow today. All right, so let's go to my portfolio. All right, so LinkedIn is basically like an online resume. I like putting my data science portfolio link right up front so people already know what they can go to this link right away. They see it, they search it up, they know what they search it up, and they know what you're going through, whatever. And for resume, I would do the same thing. So another thing that I want to add on the LinkedIn for data science, you just want to keep the description straightforward. Um, a lot of hiring managers, because if you look at it from this point of view, hiring managers can search you up. So like, you you want to put keywords because LinkedIn is basically like a search engine for jobs. People, how hiring managers find me is through the keywords I use with my description of my job description. So you just want to put keywords that you think will fit the job, I would say. So if a company uses like beautiful suit for, you just want to put that in so they can find you. Um, so you basically just want to put keywords that the company that you want to work for. Um, Mine's very broad because I do anything with data science. Um, Same thing goes with my my resume. The resume is basically the same thing as a LinkedIn page. You just want to keep it one page format because basically hiring managers basically like search, they just they don't even look through it. They probably like search it, use a program to like search for keywords and stuff like that. So that's what you want to do. Also put my portfolio here in case they want to look at it. But that's mostly the gist of it. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll try to get back to you guys as quick as possible.